GetResponse landing page tutorial. Hey guys, welcome back. Today we'll be doing a quick look at GetResponse and how you can actually do a lot more other than just email marketing. And you can even build your own landing pages, web pages with GetResponse. So let's get into it. Now, if we take a look at the pricing plans of GetResponse, you guys can see that their email marketing starts at $15.58 per month. This is on yearly billing. If you do choose to bill monthly, you do get, a higher price of $19, but you get like a 30% discount if you go with their 24-month plan. Now, if we take a look at their monthly plan, for $19, you're going to get emails, but we're looking for actual landing pages or web pages that we can build. And if you take a look at their marketing automation, starting at $59 a month, you have market automation, event based automation. So, continuing on over here, you guys can see that they also have the e commerce marketing plan starting at $119, where you have transactional emails, abandoned cart recovery, promo codes. However, I do think that this is a little too expensive, and the marketing automation one is probably the one that fits for, most use cases. You don't really need a lot more other than the marketing automation one. You get a lot of different features. You have so many different list managers, segmentation options, website builders, as well as the fact that you get access to AI creator pre-designed templates, as well as your unlimited bandwidth. So I do think for landing pages, marketing automation is probably the best choice. So to get started, all you have to do is head on over to GetResponse, click on sign up for free on the top right, and you will just have to enter your phone number, email, and basic information such as your name. Once you have completed that, your account will be created. Because I have already created my account, I have logged on. Now, once you create your account, this is going to be your dashboard. You will see on the top you have your navigation panel with some basic inputs, and then on the right you have your tools. And this is a trial version. We're trying out a GetResponse. It's not available for free. This is a 30-day free trial, and once you complete your 30 days, you can choose to continue on use or cease. So you guys can see on the top left, you have tools. And in your tools section, what you want to do is you can scroll down and you will see landing pages over here. Now, there are some very primary differences between a website and a landing page. A landing page is basically a goal-oriented page that has like one goal. So it might be focusing on the sale of a specific product, a sale of a specific collection, a subscription, but it only has a one targeted goal. However, a website is basically a bunch of different landing pages where you have crawling options and you want people to spend as much time as they can on your landing pages, on your website. But on landing pages, you just want them to complete the goal that you have set out. So, as you guys can see, all you have to do to get started with building your landing page is click on Create a Landing Page. And you have multiple different templates. Now, these templates are specifically created for landing pages. They're not website templates, they're landing page templates, which is something that often these email marketing companies that are offering landing page or website building services mix them up together. Now, if we take a look at their templates, you have general, sign up and registration, promotion. Let's say I have a promotion template over here, and there are quite a few different options available to pick out from. So let's see which one we want. Scrolling down, and we have quite a few. And there are holiday based ones as well. There are simple ones, sales ones. But let's take a look at the sales ones now. And you guys can see a lot of different templates, Christmas templates, Easter templates, and much more. Now, let's say I want to continue on and build a landing page for a sale. So I have this Christmas deal template, and I will just click on select template. And then we have a landing page and a thank you page. So I will enter the name that I want for my landing page, and then I will just click on next step over here. So our website template or landing page template has now been loaded, and you guys can see it only has two navigation items. So you have a basic the landing page that is one just specific page with multiple different call to actions to the purchase or to the thing that you want to accomplish, and then you have just a basic thank you page. So what we're going to do is we're going to start customizing it with the simple editor of GetResponse. So with GetResponse on the right side, you will find this navigation panel, and the easiest way to edit is simply to select, the item you want to change and just select it. So trendiest of summer, and then I want to add some of my own text. So I'm trying to promote a specific summer collection in this, and then all of my call to actions would be redirected to that specific collection. Now, if you want to delete any element, just click on it like so and click on delete. If you want to move anything up, you can just click on the item you want to move up and then just click on these arrows and it can move it up. Now, if you want to add items, you will see on the right side, you have multiple different options. So you have these little buttons, you can drag and drop these like so, and you can list your product over here. You can just link your store, and then your products can be imported. You also have these buttons, so if you want to create your own buttons and add your own call to actions, then you have forms. So if you want a pop-up form, you can add that, as well as timer options. So if we want to add a timer to display a sale or a launch time, you can also do that. You also have social media links and hyperlinks that you can insert. So if I want to just add a blank section, it's like so, and then in my blank section, I can add a photo, and then I can customize the size of the photo as well, like so. And in this way, you can build some really amazing landing pages using this simple platform. Now, with this, you also have multiple different previews. So you have this laptop or desktop preview. Then on the top right, you also have a mobile version preview. So obviously on the mobile version, this is not looking good. So what I would do is that on the mobile version, I am going to take my text and I would change the font size to maybe 100 like this, and then I'm going to fit it like so. So it looks a little better like so. And then you can obviously align everything accurately on the different previews that you have. And once you have completed, your design and you've previewed it, you will just click on save. So make sure you're saving along the way. And then you can just click on next step, which is publishing your landing page. So just click on next step over here, and you guys can see we are going to continue without the mobile version, like so, because I didn't save that. You have to save both of them. And just like that, I have my landing page title. I can add my description. I will get my free URL with GetResponse. And if you want to add your own domain, you can also add your own domain to GetResponse. And then you have your subscription settings. So you can also, send a subscription letter, and you can ask, your clients or your customers to view this landing page that you've created. And just like that, our landing page is now live. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you are now able to get started with building your own landing pages using GetResponse. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.